Back, this is Nasim from nasimreza.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can build your passive income business by selling digital product. So this is very simple idea that you can sell and build your online business. Okay, so if your marketing is good and if your product on rank, then you will make a lot of money passively, but it's very simple to make. Okay, so let's see. So this is actually I'm talking about the on EST. This is the very popular marketplace and where you will find three physical and digital product, and you can easily make your store on EST. Okay, and here you can see monthly this website has 480 millions. Okay, so this is very popular, and here you can see this seller actually selling this pregnancy announcing web template. So and here is the couple of photo actually he's providing with this. So this is the Canva template he is sending, and we actually use a few mock-up and with how you can share on Instagram. So this is actually basically an Instagram or Facebook post, you can say. So when someone get pregnancy and he wanted to share their excitement on social media, so then kind of person are the real customer of this product. Okay, so that's actually you can see this product already got 1100 reviews. Okay, so this is pretty cool, and the item quality, shipping and customer service, and it's 100% recommended. Okay, so this is very basic idea, and I'm going to show you how you can get the product. Okay, so I actually open a Canva account, and here you can see this kind of template are really available free on Canva. So if you use Canva, you can definitely know how to get the template, and you can easily customize. So you can sell this template on ESC. Just you have to open an account on there. So making online business is not too difficult. Just you have to think, you have to research, and you have to work consistently. So keep with me. My name is Nasim. Always I try to publish useful video on my YouTube channel. So that's it, guys. I will see you on the next one. I will get back with another useful video like this. So if you are really think this video was helpful and you got an idea for building your new online business as a complete beginner, then you can do subscribe, and that will help me to continue working on this channel. So my name is Nasim. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.